Hello and welcome to the product creation tutorial for Artsy Bridge. In this video, I'm going to go through all the different steps of creating a product. So we'll just get started. So click add new product. And we'll start with name. And then you pick a category. You can pick one or more categories depending on what you're selling. And then price. And your full description. It is best to use SEO-friendly descriptions to help you rank on Google. This is a best practice when creating a description. And we'll select our images. Here we just have one. And the maximum upload size is 2 megabytes. You can enter in a product code if you have one. And up here we see we had the price and then the listing price. So if you were to run a sale, you would set your original price here. And then if it was a 50% sale, you would change the price to 5 and it will automatically update once you save on the product page. How many items you have in stock? We go with 10. And under track inventory, you can turn this on or off. If you have VAT, you would select this. And then promotional text you can enter in here when you're running promotion on your product. Next tab, we have the SEO. So first is the page title. SEO name will update automatically once it's saved. That will be the URL. Meta description. All this is very important. If you want to have your products rank better on Google, I'd advise to fill these out as best as you can. If you're not familiar with SEO, we will have tutorials on our website detailing all the information you need to know about the basics of SEO. Lastly, we have the meta keywords. In the tag section, you would add a tag and separate it by a comma. You can add multiple tags, as many as you need. Once you're done, click create. You get notified that the product has been created successfully. Now more options will appear for your product. Now in the general tab, more information will appear. In the product tab, you have here shipping information. If you need any relevant shipping information to do with your product, you'll place it here. And the product video, you would enter in a YouTube link. And then you'd have a tab with the product video. And promo text, which I've already discussed. Shipping properties. This is where you'll enter in the weight in grams. And this will help determine if you're using the built-in on-post shipping. Entering in the correct way is important because when you're shipping a product, it's automatically calculated through on-post information. If you decide that it's free shipping, that's up to yourself, and any additional shipping charges if needed be. And then when you're entering, if you have items in box, or if you have multiple boxes, and here be able to enter in the box length, width, and height. Now this is very important, the shipping restrictions. So depending on what or how big the package is, just say this one is going to be parcel standard, we need to restrict the rest of the shipping methods. If not, the customer will be able to view all of these, and it is important that you just select the ones that you do not want to use. You restrict the ones you do not want to use. In the next tab is the features. And in the features, you can create your own features and I will create a separate video tutorial about that. We'll save the product. Now, I have already created white jasmine scented variations, and these will be added to this product. And here you'll see SEO title was automatically filled in. And files to sell, this is where you would add a file or add folders if you were selling digital product, or if the product you're selling contains digital manuals or downloadable anything really, which I think is very useful. Your tags we've already filled in. Product bundles, if you decided to create a product bundle at any time, you can update it. And then reviews of the product will be in this section. And once everything is done, you can click save. And then you can preview your product by clicking the cogwheel. Preview. And now you can see that we have the two different variations, blue and white. Now I haven't uploaded other photos, but if you have other variations, you can change the photo of the variation. So if you had blue candle, you could change the photo of that variation and a different photograph will appear here. Availability, 10 items, your description, tags, and reviews. And with that, you have successfully created a product. Thank you for watching.